धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने रिजाइन कर दिया है। क्या कहते थे, इस सरकार में इस्तीफे नहीं होते।
Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned from his post and submitted his resignation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The resignation came in the wake of the controversy that was surrounding in NEET UG 2026 examination and the nationwide protests that followed. The issue began with NEET UG examination that was held on May 3rd, 2026, when allegations of irregularities and paper leaks surfaced at several examination centers. As the complaints grew, concerns were raised about the fairness and credibility of one of the India's biggest entrance examination. Following these allegations, the Ministry of Education acted by referring the matter to Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for detailed probe. The controversial examination was cancelled, and the government have announced that fresh examinations would be conducted to ensure that deserving students did not suffer because of the actions of the examination mafias. To protect the academic future of more than 2 million students, the NEET UG examination was conducted again on June 21st, 2026, under the enhanced security arrangement that has been seen in the entire city as well as the state. The result of the re-examination were declared on July 16, 2026, allowing the admission process to move forward. The government also announced an important reform. From the next year onwards, the NEET examinations will be conducted in a computer-based test, that is CBT, more to improve the transparency and also to reduce the possibility of malpractice in the future examination. However, despite these corrective measures, political pressure and public protest continued across the country. Even we have seen opposition parties, student organizations, and thousands of young aspirants demanded accountability and called for the resignations of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan should resign, and it must be resigned. Large scales of demonstrations were held in several cities, including at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, where students and activists continued their protest, turning this issue into a major national debate. Even amid with these developments, Dharmendra Pradhan has now stepped down, taking what he described as a moral responsibility for this situation. So, what exactly did Dharmendra Pradhan said in his resignation letter? Let's try to understand that also. As we have seen, he have posted his letter on the X platform. It stated that accepts the moral responsibility for the irregularities that occurred during the NEET UG examination that was held on May 3rd, 2026. He said that throughout his tenure, his priority has been to ensure that no deserving student lost opportunities because of examination mafias or unfair practices. He even further highlighted in that letter that after the controversy surfaced, the government cancelled the examination, banned and even the government has cancelled the examination and handed over the investigation to CBI and successfully conducted the re-examination in a secure environment. For over 2 million students, he also referred to the decision to introduce computer-based testing (CBT) from next year as a major step toward making the examination system more transparent. If we have seen in the resignation of letter of Pradhan, even he wrote that India's youth are the country's greatest strength. He said he does not want the situation created by the controversy and the protests at Jantar Mantar and across the country to be exploited by an anti-national forces. He added that students should be able to focus on their studies and the future careers without getting caught in a legal or political disputes. For these reasons, he said he was submitting the resignation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Pradhan also expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Modi for giving him the opportunity to serve as the Union Education Minister. As we have seen, like the youth, the entire thing was started from the NEET UG paper leak that has created. Following his resignation, attention will now shift who will be given the charge for the education minister, like for the Ministry of the Education, and whether any changes will be made to the union cabinet or not. At the same time, the country will also closely watch what further reforms the government will introduce to make NEET and other national level examinations more transparent, secure, and trustworthy in the years ahead. As we have seen the protest that has been taken not only just in the part of Jantar Mantar in Delhi, we have seen in other states like Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Mumbai. Also, we have seen the youths, especially you can say the Gen Zs, that were doing like a massive protest that was taken place. Now, based on this, finally, like the education minister have resigned, that have submitted his resignation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now we have to see in upcoming days like what the other steps and what other reforms will be taken place related to transparent, secure, and even accountability in the upcoming examination that could be related to national level as well as NEET. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.